Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about exciting topic object-oriented programming, which is common in Java, C++, Python also. So I'm going to explain, give some examples, three different examples, three programs. Please watch my other introduction videos for Java, C, C++. Then you can understand this better. Let's jump into the object-oriented. In the usual general programming language, when we say program, for example, with a relational database like Oracle, SQL Server, the concept is a table, rows and columns. So this is the data. We always want to manipulate the data. Select, insert, update, delete, any retail shop, anything, So general program, it has procedures, functions, to access the data in the database, relational database. When we talk about objects, it's a different view of the data. It's not tables and columns. Here the data is separate from procedures and functions. So we access data from a separate database. But in object-oriented, everything is inside, See, objects has data, methods, attributes, variables. Everything is put into one box. That's object-oriented programming. That's what Java, C++, Python follows. Okay, how do we implement that? We define a class, and there are classes, objects within it. See, class object, class, it can have class objects. It's a nested thing. So complex applications can be written in Java, C++ for efficiency. One use of all these object-oriented things is reusable code. You write some code and somebody can use it, with your permission, they can reuse, add to their module. That can be added to another module. So it creates a big library, That's what JavaScript is. JavaScript is a library of Java functions. Okay, let's see here conceptually what it is. For example, if I define a class called vegetable fruit, I have one class called mango, an object called tomato, object called banana. But within mango, it's a class. It can have objects. It can be a green mango, yellow mango. So each are objects. So see how nested it is: class, object, class, object, object. It can be nested too, based on if you define more classes. But higher level is always a class, then objects, methods. And each will have attributes and methods. For example, if we talk about mango, what is the color? What is the weight? It's different. Those are the attributes. Methods. What do we do with mango? We can eat it, put some juice and drink it. Those are the methods. This is conceptually how objects are organized, So let's see the program. I define a public class vegetable fruit. I'm saying string mango, string banana, public static void main string. This is general syntax to invoke the Java program. I'm saying print mango, print banana. There are two types of print statements. Print ln means it will put a space after this. If you don't put ln, if you put print, it's going to append to the same row. So always use print line. It adds a new line. See, mango, banana. This is the output of this program. This is one example. Let's move on to the next one. The example 2 of Java program. Here we have two objects and one class. I am printing, let's see here, public class vegetable fruit, same as the previous one. String mango, string, I put tomato here. So I invoke the Java program and then I define two variables. I actually instantiate an object. Here I'm just printing directly from the class, but here I'm actually instantiating. An object has to be woken up, instantiated. So see the same name, vegetable fruit. I am naming it, first object is tomato object. See, tomato object, tomato obj equal to new vegetable fruit. It's like creating a baby, instantiating the object. Second one is mango object. I am instantiating a mango object, printing the same thing. So mango, tomato, mango, banana. Two different methods to print. Here we talked about general things. Here we call instantiated two objects in one class. This is third example. Here two classes and then trying to print. Let's see here. I am defining public class vegetable. There is no fruit here, just vegetable. String cucumbers is equal to cucumbers. That's class 1. Second class, here I say just class cucum. Public static void, same syntax, calling the Java program. Vegetable cucum obj equal to new of vegetable. I am instantiating this object in the second class. This is the second Java program. So this program will be called vegetable.java. This program will be called cucum.java. So two files actually. Vegetable.java, cucum.java. Two classes and one object. When you execute this program, output will be cucumbers. So three different concepts we discussed today. What is object oriented? General implementation. How to instantiate two objects, examples, and one class, just vegetable fruit. This file will be called as vegetableFruit.java. All Java files are called extension .java, C program .c, JavaScript.js, C++, and similarly, other languages. For SQL databases, .sql. Any file, you put a lot of insert, update, delete statements. It will be stored in .sql file. This gave a broad overview and examples about object oriented. In later videos, I'll talk about more complex things, polymorphism, encapsulation, advanced topics in object oriented. Please watch my databases. I have a few videos, relational databases, what are the types of databases. I'm starting everything is at beginner level. I'm teaching 10 languages at beginner level. So watch all my videos and link everything. You'll understand much better. Thank you.